Welcome. Today we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to disable the auto lock feature in Telegram. If you're tired of your chats locking automatically or having to re-enter your passcode every few minutes, this video is for you. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner. Depending on your version of Telegram, you'll either see 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu icon, or your profile picture. Tap on that to open the side menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can manage almost everything about your Telegram experience. Once you're in Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls your account safety, including password, active sessions, and screen locking preferences. Now, find and tap on Passcode Lock. This is the section that controls when and how Telegram locks itself for security reasons. If you already have a passcode set up, you'll need to enter it here to access the settings. After entering your passcode, you'll see an option called Auto Lock. Tap on it. This setting determines how long Telegram stays unlocked before automatically locking the app again. You might see different time options like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. To fully disable this feature, simply choose Off. Once you've done that, Telegram will no longer lock itself automatically. You can close the settings and get back to chatting without interruptions. Keep in mind, disabling auto lock means anyone with access to your phone will be able to open your Telegram instantly, so make sure you're comfortable with that. And that's it. You've just turned off auto lock on Telegram in a few quick steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Stay tuned for more simple tech tips to keep your apps working just the way you like them. Thanks for watching.